What's up guys, Oduba here, and together with my friends at Ocado, I am going to be making my very special, very sticky Chinese pork for the mob. That's you, so let's do it. With this dish, there's a number of Ocado Own brand vegetables that I've chosen here. They're all organic, they're all fresh. Onions, garlic, and ginger. And with a spring onion, we need some slices for the mixture and then some nice chopped up spring onions for your garnish at the end. So after that, once you've got that all chopped up, it's time to go in on your pork. This particular pork belly I've gone for is from the Black Farmer. It is a British supplier, and by the looks of it, it's delish. Chop those all into nice sort of inch long strips. And once you've got the strips, you want to get that cubed up. So what you need now is a saucepan and about 1 litre of water. And once that's come to the boil, you are going to pop your pork, your ginger, and your garlic, your onion, your spring onions all in. It just fuses all of those flavours together, and when you come to frying it later, it kind of seals the flavour. So after 3 or 4 minutes, you want to take all of that mixture out into a bowl. Put a nice little bit of kitchen roll under it so it absorbs some of that water. In goes the mixture. We want to get that pork nice and brown. Might take 5 or 6 minutes. Once your pork is nice and brown, here comes the sugar bit. The sugar is really going to be the important part to get that stickiness, because once you put your sugar in, get it nice and mixed into all of that mixture, because we're going to start caramelizing, baby. So once all of that pork has been mixed into the sugar, that's when we want to add our soy sauces. Because I'd say 1 soy sauce isn't enough. And our rice wine. Mix all of that in, and very quickly you'll see that starting to turn into a thick, lovely, syrupy glaze. Next thing you want to do is get 250 ml of water and just splosh it in. Stir it around. Cover it up and then simmer and wait. Once you've got it perfect and sticky and hot and it's kind of rolling off itself and it's slow cooked, there's nothing like slow cooked pork, then it's ready to serve up. So on your bed of rice, just roll that pork into the bowl. It won't want to come away. That's kind of the trick. If it wants to stay in the spoon, then you've got yourself your perfect sticky Chinese pork. And all you need to do is just add a little sprinkling of spring onion. And that is Oreo's very special, very sticky Chinese pork. Proof is in the pudding. Yes! Oh! Oh!